Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, part 9. Let's get started.
Then go back over. Make sure you don't have a lot of heavy edges. And also make sure you don't have dry spots or dry rolling, as in this area right here.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below, it helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.